Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you're a returning viewer, welcome. If you are new, today we're going to be taking a look at some of the stuff that CountyComm has going on right now in a new one of their grab bag kind of things. This is some of the items that may come in their prototype bag. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so just real quick, I wanted to make this video for you guys and let you know that, like I said, CountyComm is making one of their new, like the Big Daddy mystery packs. This is called their prototype. Can't remember the exact name. It'll be in the description. Forgive me. Some of the things that may be included, they have 3 different variants, I believe. They had 2 that included no longer on the website. Can't get them anymore unless you previously purchased them. 2 watches, 2 titanium watches that are, I believe they're $600 to $650. Those 2 people that received those bags, those were worth over $1,000. So the other bags, all the stuff included, this is not all the stuff. You're not going to get, you know, exactly this. This is just some of the things that you may get. I wanted to just show you guys what you might get. The other things, some of the other bags are roughly around $600. You know, I may have the inside scoop from somebody at CountyComm. I may not. Just saying. The lowball tumbler. This alone, $100. This is awesome. You can, if you don't drink, you can fill it with pens. You can fill it with whatever. You can use it as a Yahtzee cup. You can do whatever you want with it. Or if you do drink, you can take the edge off with it. Pure titanium, golf ball, knurling on it. This is awesome. This alone is $100. Here's a light that I reviewed recently on the channel. The Maratac and Acebeam collab. The Defender P16. On sale right now, this is $50. Not on sale, it's $80. Which, by the way, if you don't want to have, you don't want to purchase one of these, you can go and purchase any one of these items. I will include a link for each one of these in case you see something you're like, hey, I want to go pick it up. Go pick it up. Just make sure you use my discount code StevensEDC at checkout. You save 10% on anything and everything, including the prototype mystery bag. So yeah, I mean, this light, I love this light. This is awesome. I've seen some people get this light. I've seen a few people get this light on it. Their breacher bars. Here's their large breacher bar. This one, I believe, is $40. Here's their medium breacher bar. I think this one's $30. Here's the slide top titanium with the topo design on top. You can put matches in here. You can put medication in here. You can put whatever your heart desires. Anything you can fit inside of this titanium topo box, you can do it. Here's their titanium dice. If you collect dice, or you just want a good, heavy, decent, nice roll set of dice, here you go. Titanium. Or you want to get a few more. Get enough together for a Yahtzee game. Guess what? You can do that. Here's a handle for their breacher bar. With the breacher bar, as you can see, it's already got a beveled edge to it on the side and the front. You can sharpen it up to a knife's edge. Put your handle on it. You've got yourself a nice camping, hunting, fishing knife, whatever. Or you can use this as a chisel, so you're not using all your wood chisels up there in the garage. You can use these nice titanium ones that are solid built, and they are previously from the EOD Robotics, the explosive ordnance devices. So, I mean, if they trust them, why shouldn't we, right? This light. They had one previously that had the red and blue flash. This one has a kind of a little thrower light on it. It's got a little floodlight, and it blinks. Here's your little thrower light. Here's your red flashing. You can put this on your dog, walking your dog at night. You can clip it on your shirt so people see you if you're walking with your dog at night. Or if you want to put it on your bike, guess what? It comes with a bike mount. You can put it on your bike, and it is USB Type-C rechargeable. Comes with a cable. I think $25, but on sale I think this is $13. Just the mat, this awesome mat. This is one of the variants with the mat in it. This mat alone, $30, but it is awesome. It's rubber. It's got a nice texture to it. It's got little valleys around here, so if you're doing electronics or you're doing firearms and you got your firing pin, it's not going to roll off your mat. It's limitless. What you can get for $249, some of the things that I've seen, the pictures that people have posted, and the unveiling videos that I've seen are just incredible. Jealous? Absolutely. Again, this is just some of the things that you may get. Like I said, I have definitely seen this a few times in pictures that people put on the website. I've seen this a few times, the $100 tumbler. I've seen the mat. Like I said, they have 3 different variants. Come on, guys. You got to go pick one up, because if you don't, you're going to go, I should have got one of those. That's all I got for right now, guys. I wanted to get this out, do it super quick for you guys, let you know what's going on. Again, I will put a link in the description for all these items, as well as a link for the prototype bag. Use my code StevensEDC at checkout. You take 10% off of anything on their website, and especially right now, 10%. You can stretch those legs on that money, make it go a little bit further. Hey, I'm cool with that. If you could like this video, guys, subscribe if you haven't done so. Go back, watch some of my other videos. Might find something useful, might find something informative, where you just kill a little bit of time. Until next time, stay safe, guys. And if I don't see you, hear from you, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.